we are looking at how to pronounce these two words. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing vocabulary as well in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. The top word is pronounced here as treasure. So yes, you have an S in the spelling of treasure, but no S sound. It's a J sound. Treasure in American English or treasure in British English. The bottom word is very similar. You only change the beginning. Pleasure. Okay, so the spellings are similar and the pronunciations are similar as well. Treasure is your top word here. Pleasure is your bottom word, or pleasure in British English. Pleasure, pleasure, treasure. It's easy, and now you know. Could you hear the difference? Like this video, and if you found it useful, like and comments. Let me know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching.